Are you looking for the best portable job site table? In this video we will look at some of the best portable job site table on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. XMSJ Standing Desk. Enjoyed the health benefits of a standing desk adjustable height, with 3 memory presets height settings for quick and easy transitions and a height range of 28.7–46.5. Electric desk has reliable motor with low noise under 50 decibels, while running. The electric standing desk boasts a waterproof and wear-resistant splice tabletop. It is thoughtfully equipped with a wire collector and 2 hooks, enabling you to maintain a clean and organized workspace. Surely, our stand-up desk satisfy you plenty workplace. Our adjustable height desk applied an industrial-grade alloy steel frame combined with a solid desktop that allows for a 176 pounds weight capacity. Please note that the rising desk tabletop consists of 2 pieces, which need to be installed and connected. Ergonomic sit-stand desk enable you goodbye to your hands and shoulder pain. Easily switch from sitting to standing throughout the day to create a healthy, smart, and productive overall office solution for chronically sedentary people. Number 2. VEVOR Folding Work Table. Portable and versatile, this folding work table can be easily switched between the workbench and the sawhorse. The quick folding design and soft handle make it easy to carry and store with limited space. Plus, it is safe to set up and fold down without the risk of pinching. This folding table workbench can bear up to 1,000 pounds for supporting all kinds of tools and workpieces, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks. Its flat MDF tabletop and sturdy steel legs provide unmatched stability and durability, no matter what the job. Need more workspace? No problem. Our large area tabletop allows multiple work tables to be joined together seamlessly. 2 link locks are provided for easy connection, making this folding workbench table a godsend to deal with long workpieces. The portable workbench has multiple holes for horizontal and vertical clamping, with 2 quick clamps, 4 clamping dogs, 2 hooks, and 2 link locks. You'll have everything you need for a range of tasks. 3 toolboxes provide storage space for small objects, keeping your workspace neat and organized. Whether you're working on a DIY project or running a professional workshop, this foldable workbench is perfect for beginners and experts alike. When not in use, it can also be used as a table to hold various tools and household items. Number 3. Electric Standing Desk. VEVOR Standing Desk has reliable motor that could support height adjustment between 28.3'/45.5'/, 30.3'/48.5' with detachable lockable casters included at an average speed of 0.8/second with low noise under 50 decibels. While running, our home office desk applied an industrial-grade alloy steel frame combined with a solid desktop that allows for a 176 pounds weight capacity. The sit-stand adjust table height based on a firm foundation for work, even at full height memory height and anti-collision technology. Standing adjustable height desk has 3 programmable memory height buttons. If the electrical desk encounters obstacles when lifting, it will move 2 centimeters in the opposite direction to avoid possible damage or injury. The stand-up desk allows independent and remote workers to stay active, healthy, and productive while long-term working from home. Precisely adjust your desk to your height and insert healthy movement into your day. Assembly steps of the standing table have been optimized. A detailed electric standing desk installation video has been uploaded for reference. Package of the adjustable table contains assembly tools and detailed instructions. Number 4. ODK Office Small Computer Desk. This desk table is designed with 3 easy-to-assemble fabric drawers that give a nice amount of storage for everything else you need during your work day or study day. The 3 storage drawers can stash things away. Perfect for placing your documents, office or school supplies, gaming equipment, etc. You will always have an organized desktop after owning it. This desk with storage allows for an ample storage space, giving you a cleaner looking desktop. Besides, the desk shelves is removable. It can serve as a 2-tiers bookshelf, but also as a organizer. Both of two sides meet for your different storage needs in home or office. Having the work from home desk for your happy life. The perfect desktop size, 47.3 inch 15.7 inch, fits your laptop, books and 3 large capacity fabric drawers. Each drawer can support up to 8 pounds. About 2 laptops, ample room for all of your office or work from home needs. The detachable underneath storage shelves of the desk can be placed in any size, so it works perfect for any usage. Books, organizer. There are also a lot more legroom and space for you. The metal leg and wood desktop together makes this desk a tank in the desk world. This construction design keep your table be no wobble while typing, writing or gaming. Even serving as your office desk, study writing table, gaming desk. The industrial desk design also match the rest of your furniture. You can enjoy sturdy and fashion design all in one desk. The desk come with detailed instructions. All parts are clearly labeled. What you need to do is following instructions step by step. If your ODK desk arrives damaged, missing part or scratched, please feel free to contact us. Our professional customer support team will help you solve the problem within 24 hours. Number 5. SMUG Standing Desk. The ergonomic electric standing desk allows you to release your hands and effortlessly customize the desired height between 28.7'/48'. With a high-quality motor, our adjustable desk operates quietly at less than 55 decibels and can be used with confidence even in the quietest room. Designed to cater to your needs, our stand-up desk design features an LED display and 3 memory presets, helping you make precise and quick adjustments. The robust wooden desktop and the T-shaped steel frame ensure maximum stability and can hold up to 154 pounds. Stay organized with our sit-stand desk, which comes equipped with 2 hooks on either side and 2 wire collecting holes on the desktop, making it an easy and convenient option for daily use. The eco-friendly wood is sleek, easy to clean, and odor-free. Our stand-up desk is available in a range of colors and sizes, making it an ideal choice for a computer desk, writing desk and more. Whether it's in your living room, study, bedroom, or any other space, it's always a great addition. The package includes a height-adjustable desk, an instruction manual, and necessary tools for assembly. You can easily put it together using our installation video. Please note that the tabletop consists of 2 pieces, which need to be installed and connected.